Tursus has a plan to make Goa net zero over 2024. We solarize, hybridize. But wait, we need your help. Join the revolution. Give a missed call on 828693 8286.
Contest, I am confident that we will win all the 11 seats. There is no issue about it. See, challenging, ultimately, just people. See, people of Talegaon knows me very well, and I have got a confidence of the people of Talegaon. Now, as far as voting is concerned, it is God knows, and the person who a voter knows whom they are voting for.
Because when you see ground reality, it is our panchayat and our punch members and Babush and me who work for the people. See, it's very easy for opposition to say anything because they come only during the time of election.
So out of 11 तुम्ही already 4 तुमचे unopposed आलेले असतात. So remaining is 7. So 7
All
तुम
7.
all 7 तुम्ही
All 7, yes.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the 4 who has come unopposed and thank the people of those 4 wards, the supporters, because आमची एक army कशी. Election येयले म्हणटकूच we all come down and work sincerely, wholeheartedly. And I thank those people, I thank the workers, because आयज एक आर्मी पयली म्हणटा दुसरो भिता.
युनायटेड तालिगांव पॅनलाचे सिसील म्हणटा आमकांय सीट मेळटले, कितले ते सांगना.
बेजार आसा पूण 1 डे बिफोर इलेक्शन तुमी जाणा कितें जाता तें पयशे वयता जायते जाता आनी बाबूश आमचोच म्हूण येता मागीर सगळें जाता बट आय स्टील बिलीव दॅट डेमोक्रेसी इज देर and people will vote for a change. And this is panchayat election. If change doesn't happen now, then it will never happen. But I can assure you that we will win definitely seats. Out of 11, we will win.
How many seats you have?
We will win. We win all 7, amazing, but we will win. I'm just saying the win word. We will win.
कामराबाट आज तशेंच आज सॅनिटेशन सोड टॉयलेटीची फॅसिलिटी ना कसलीच फॅसिलिटी ना ते तूं ते ड्रेनेज पळय ते घरांतल्या भितरल्यान मदल्यान उदक व्हांवता आसतलें ते हे हितून आमची तेंची भुरग्यां लोकांची भुरग्यां धाकटी भुरग्यां आसा पावसाक कितें परिस्थिती जातली भुरग्यांक दॅट इज अ टोटली तुका हें आतां मलेरिया सगळें दुयेंस जातलें लोक पूण कितें हांकां पडलेलें ना.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रुपेश राऊत आणि तुळशीदास च्यारी.